All right, guys, so this area here, I'm going to show you how to find the area of a compound shape. Remember, a compound shape is just a shape that can be decomposed. Doing this work is, the first thing is, what shapes do I see? Your shapes are normally going to have a lot of numbers like you see here. To its regular shapes that we already know. Now, I can see up here that this looks like it's forming a triangle. So I'm going to draw a dotted line right across this. And yeah, as I can see, you might also see that there is another triangle here, as well as a rectangle. Now, together, if you look at it without that triangle on top, it actually makes a shape on Monday. Okay, now that I identified both of these shapes that my compound shape forms or is made out of, I can go ahead. It's my base times my height divided by 2. For my trapezoid, my area is base. This is important, is that for me to find the area of the entire compound shape, I'm going to have to add both these areas of my individual shapes together. Okay, so the actual to my area of my trapezoid, which is base 1 plus base 2 times my height divided by 2. Okay, now this is where area for both my shapes, add them together to find the area of the compound shape. The one thing, I'm gonna start with my triangle, okay? The area equals base times height divided by 2. There isn't any number that tells me what the base is or what the height is. This 11 inches represents the entire side right here, not just this part for my triangle. So I want to that are parallel. For example, I know that from here all the way down here is 5 inches. This is the height right here, which means inches, and all this together is 11 inches, then this side plus this side must equal 11. Well, 5 plus what equals 11? 6. Here, for my height for this triangle, is 6. What's my base? Well, I can do the same thing. I know that from here all the way to we call parallel sides. And then they tell me that from here to here is 2 inches, which means that this side plus this 2 should give me 10. Well, if I do my math, I could do 10 minus Notice how I didn't use anything else other than that this is a 6 and this is an 8 for my base and my height. Divided by 2 to find my area. Now I want to find the area of my trapezoid, and it's base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. Base 1 10 inches plus 6 inches is actually 16 inches. That is the size or the length of my first base, so it's going to be 16 plus my base 2, which is on top, which really just said height. My height is how tall my shape is. If we do it again, from the bottom to the top, that's the height, is 5 inches. So I'm gonna multiply it times 5, then divide it by 2. $26 times 5. Let's do my math on the side. Is 130. Area of this entire thing, it's the area of this triangle plus the area of this trapezoid together. That means I have to add my 24 plus my 65. Inches, it should be 89 square inches. Once again, to recap, you must find the shapes that your compound shape is made of. Your equation to correctly find that area. Give it a try. If you need help, find us during our office hours, and we can definitely give you some live help.